Hello guys, once again it's me, Cool Dude, to do another video since the last one sucked. The one I just made a few minutes ago. It's probably already out for you guys, and it might not even be up, or it may be older, but the video I just made for me was, what was it called? Crash XS. It really sucked. Crap. Trying to fix the lighting. There we go. I'll just call myself CD. And the episode vintage breathing the fresh North Pole morning air, gathering. Listen. Concentration floor. Important avatar affairs, focusing entire. You guys could pause and read it. I haven't played this game too much. I don't remember this being the start of the game, but I haven't played too much of the game. Look at these kids! Die, Frosty. Yeah, I know how to save. This game ain't gonna replace the other one, Crash XS. It's just when I get bored with Crash XS, I'll be playing this. This Crash XS is a really short game. There's stuff on my screen. Well, that's too bad. I'm not gonna go visit the elder. See ya. Sir. Sir. You're the elder? Really? Isn't there like a wrong button? Where's the elder? Maybe it's supposed to take place after they found him. After they found Aang. Or maybe this takes place after the episodes of the show. Maybe it takes place after the show. Ow, ow, ow. Bad puppy. Who's your bad puppy? Bye-bye. Oh, he's dead. Well, the Avatar wasn't supposed to kill, but I don't know. Apparently killing puppies is okay. Oh yeah, I went around this way. Trying to break Zuko. Not Zuko. Wow, I am stupid. Sokka's staff. He won't mind. Wake up. I don't know, guys. Bad Maggie. Oh, dead. Where do I go? I don't know, guys, but I'm gonna end it here and continue next time, or I might just pause it. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause it until I find him. Alright, be back. Alright, guys, I couldn't find it. I'm gonna continue it next time. Bye. Sorry this video was so short. I couldn't find him. I'm getting a little bit bored. Hoping maybe this weekend I could do more. Maybe I could get my friends when I get Mortal Kombat Armageddon. Maybe I could play with them and we could have a bunch of fun. Alright, guys. Bye.